Welcome to Uranus!
You don't get in a car like this and smile, there's something wrong with you. What is happening, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today we are in Uranus, Missouri. We are on our way to Branson, Missouri. Hang on, hang tight, and let's visit Uranus first. Welcome guys to Uranus. This here is Uranus, Missouri. And well, they make fudge, they pack your fudge, and you can get about anything that you want here. It is a fudge packing place. So let's take a little gander.
Welcome to Uranus!
It never gets old.
It doesn't. There's not very many places you can go to get a mouthful of mare's wiener and blue balls while you're sliding in and out of holes.
Right?
And you can see doubles in Uranus too. That's over at the Freak Show. There's live sword swallowing, living two-headed turtles, there's pigs with no faces, and more.
Awesome.
And then the blue balls are across the street. You can sink them right into our buttholes. And then the mare's wiener is at the bottom of the hill. It's a nice, plump, juicy all-beef hot dog bursting with flavor. You will not pull out of Uranus dissatisfied.
And with every purchase,
And if you do pull out, do it too.
purchase $20 or more, you get a free Uranus examiner. Get it anywhere else is considered shitty news. You got two of them in there, so feel free to spread the love.
Awesome.
Leave in someone's bathroom. Safe travels, folks, and be careful pulling out of Uranus.
We have the Strange Museum, Circus Sideshow. We've even got Uranus Jail down here. Refurbishing it the last time we was here. Yes, we've visited Uranus before, so we just didn't take you along the last time we visited Uranus, but you're here now. It never gets old. So she got the chocolate Uranus and I got the strawberry Uranus, and I got to say, it's thick. It's some thick stuff. Yeah, this is a family friendly channel, or I'd say something a little different. But anyways, good stuff. We're leaving Uranus and heading to, where are we going? Branson, Missouri. And right here is pretty much the beginning of it. So I'm going to give you just a little taste right now. This Ferris wheel actually came from Chicago. from Pier Park in Chicago. Is day number 2. We are here out of 6 days. So day number 2, we're out just walking around, getting things, riding around, just seeing what all's new here that we haven't seen yet, and just checking out some of the gift shops and souvenir shops. So right now we're going to head into Ozark Land and we are going to check it out. So let's do it. This right here is the boardwalk on Branson. I'm trying to talk fast so I don't get the proverbial copyright nonsense, but this is the boardwalk, like I said, of Branson. There's the aquarium right here, and you've got a little pond lake where they do the little musical with the water squirting up and doing all the same stuff that you would have in Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg is here. But right now we're going to take you over to another little shopping area. This is my brother. What do you say, all these long lost brothers? Trying to get out of the heat, trying to just enjoy it. With the heat advisory and everything, it's well over 100 degrees here, but it's still beautiful. It's July the 28th. This is one of my favorite spots. If you'll notice over here, you've got a whole section and it's shopping. This is called Branson Landing. I keep forgetting what it's called, but you've got Paula Dean's on down to buying boats and everything else. But right here is the reason why this is my absolute favorite place to be. There's water, they have drag race boats here that they race on, just all kinds of stuff. It's a blast here. So I can't even say that, so I'll try that a what?
Welcome to Laketaneycomo.
Titicaca? I don't know. Anyway, what she said. But we are going to walk around and just kind of show you a little bit. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, let's do this. As you can see, it's just a bunch of shops and a bunch of places to eat and places to go. And you got people on the corner working you, trying to sell you stuff. And just, this is more like what the island is in Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, but to me, this is a lot bigger, a lot more stuff. You've actually got zip lining, you've got, you know, boat rides and just all kinds of different things to do. This right here, guys, is the Bransoncenicrailway. Typically there's a car sitting here that you could actually get tickets for, and you can ride the train pretty good piece. And they take you on into, I believe it's Kansas, and they take you through some awesome tunnels and some awesome, just awesome, beautiful scenery. And I highly recommend, if you've never been to Branson and you come into Branson, to absolutely ride the train. East Main Street. And all up and down through here are these old buildings that they actually kept up, and they've made it like it would have been 50, 60, 70 years ago. You've even got the five and dime store up here. You've got flea markets. You've got barber shops. Anything and everything is right here. Left the rat race of all the touristy spots and just we came to my most favorite spot. Back when a couple of years ago when my dad passed away, my wife had to get me out of town for a while, and this is one of the places we came to. And I got to say, this place right here healed my soul. So without further ado, look. And this is Table Rock. This is in Branson, Missouri. Never fails. No matter how good of a time you're having, somebody's always got to screw it up for you. I mean, really? Really? Make sure it's not dinged up. If it does, I guess I'll be sitting here. Now see, look at here. See this? But yet look at here. Why? Why? Seriously, this right here is on top of the Table Rock. It's kind of a little road that kind of bypasses through, and you can actually see the lake. And if you look closely, right down there, you can actually see kayakers running down there. Pretty sweet. Day number 3 of out and about. We got out this morning, just decided, hey, we're going to run the roads a little bit. So we went on into Springfield, Missouri, done a little shopping, done a little this and that, and I just got the wild idea. You know what? I think we need to go on into Arkansas. So that's exactly what we done. And we have came to Eureka Springs, Harley-Davidson, here in Arkansas. And guys, I got to say, these roads are amazing. Listen, if you're any kind of a motorcycle enthusiast and want the thrill of the roads, you definitely need to come here to Eureka Springs. It is unreal. I really wish, it's my anniversary, guys, but I really wish that I kind of put a trailer behind the old Blazer here and just brought the Harley with, because hey, it's unreal, and I'm serious. So anyways, guys, just wanted to show you and kind of tell you about what's going on right now. We are going to head, I really don't know, to be honest, but I guess you'll just have to keep watching and find out.